this hitch on is kind of like wrestling with an octopus. You might think you'll win. After you do it a few times, it's not bad. It has an offset collar. To keep these in this slot. There we go. Like that. Slide these out. There's a pin. Right there. And when you slide this in place, they can't come out again. It can't come out again. There we go. Oh, come on. Go in there. There we go. Just have to watch your fingers. You can't do that with gloves on. Well, somebody might be able to, but I can't. Oh well. Found I'm missing a pin right there. I have to fix that. Alright. Not my first tractor, but this was one of the features I thought was kind of nice on this one. Put this in here. And just, there we go. Holds that member up out of the way. Had a farm all in with a rough adaptation on it, and it didn't have it. And all right, so now the next part. All right, if you don't have one of these, ouch, it'll get your kneecap. I was going to say they're great, and they are, until you kneecap yourself. But the old 3-point hitch was just 3 points. And honestly, they weren't bad. For years and years, farmers really enjoyed 3-point hitches. They spread the load, and you can set ground pressure. In other words, if the ground's really hard and your tractor's bogging down, it'll pull the plow up some so that you're not taking as much of a bite. But you had to undo and redo every point. Well, these quick detachments are really pretty good. that holds the pin in, so you have it set up for your piece of equipment. This grabs the top, the other ones go in, release both, and it's hooked on. It takes just a few seconds to really hook one up.